Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Great Teleportation spell. As the name implies, it allows you to teleport to about anywhere in the world. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Let's say you are here. Let's say this is 0, 0 and you are here in position 2, 1. And you want to get to the position -5, 5. So, how the great teleportation works, it takes an entity and a vector. The vector represents how much position it should add to you. So, if you give the great teleportation -5, 5, just the coordinates you want to give it, it will take your position and add it there. So, if this is a vector, this is a position, it will take you over here. But this is not the position you want. You want to be at 5, 5. So how do you do that? So the actual vector you need is this one, which you get by taking the vector to the position, the vector to you, and subtracting it. It is just like addition for vectors, but subtracting. Instead of going this way, you go backwards by the same position, just multiply by -1, like this. So it will be -5, -2 for the x, and in the y vector, take 5 and -1, so you end up here. -7, 4. So this is -7, and in the y it's 4. And this is the position you want to give it. This one. And if you look, you can actually see that this one is the same as this one, and it will teleport you to the correct position. So let me demonstrate. So let's say I want to teleport to this position. So I'll take the position, I take my current position, subtract it, I need myself on the stack first, and then I draw the teleportation spell. And I teleported right here. So what I want to show you in this video are some ways you can tell that process automatically onto a single focus, so you can read it with an artifact. The easiest way to do that, of course, is to just take the position on the focus, but that will require your other hand, which is not what I want at all. Let's start with the easiest method, which is just select the position you want, put a sentinel there. Next, all you need to do is take your focus and put the spell which you want to teleport yourself, then your target, your position, subtract, and then teleport. Let's test it. And it works. Teleported me a bit below, which is always going to happen with the method I just showed you. And that is because the position of the sentinel is the middle of the block. It's lower than me. And when you draw Mind's Reflection, it will give you the position of your head. You see? 0.62, which is great if you want to use Archer's Distillation. But I want the position of where I'm standing. So I'll need to use Mind's Reflection 2, which takes the position of where I'm standing. So all you need to do is replace the Mind's Reflection with Mind's Reflection, the second one, which is just to draw from the other way. And now replace, and let me test it. And it works, but it will teleport you higher. So all you need to do is place the Sentinel lower. But the obvious problem with this spell, which is that it requires the Sentinel. Sentinels are very useful, and you don't want to use it for your teleportation. So first of all, I need to start off with writing myself. Then I need the position. So it's 13, 80, and 9. So I'll write 13, 80, 9. Then I'll combine them all into a vector. Take my position, but of where I'm standing, remove, subtract them from one another, and then teleport. And done, it works. Now, the final method I'm going to show you is by storing the position of where you want to teleport in a Akashic library. Here I have an Akashic library, and let's say I want to teleport over here. So I'll select the position of the Akashic library, then draw a pattern, let's say just something like that, and then my position. Then I'm going to store it in the Akashic library. Now you see I have the position. If I were a lens, you can see the position I have set here. And now this is important, I didn't say this in our Akashic library, but each time you use an Akashic library, it costs you 1 amethyst dust. This is very important if you ever want to do a spell like vein mining. Don't use an Akashic library, it will drain your amethyst. And it works. This was the second idea I had of how to teleport to a specific location. The first one was the focus, then this one, then I saw a great video about spell circle to show how to teleport with just 3 numbers. And there is a fourth way, but that will do for this video, because the fourth way will need a video of its own. And as a bonus to all the people who completed the video, I will show you the greatest spell I have seen in a very long time. So let's say you're drawing your spell and whoops, you did a mistake. You can just draw this pattern and it will undo it. And when you oh, another mistake, whoop, I can just undo the spell. And let's say I have another mistake, like let's say whoops and whoops. You can just undo, and continue on. And when I stop the spell, it will just not write this down. This is amazing. That is a great spell. And I'm just saying, don't take this as a promise. I maybe will make a video about list manipulation. And that will do for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. And that's it. See ya.